past few years, everyone in the world has wanted to be in Cape Town. Everyone I know who has visited South Africa says the same thing. When they get here, they feel like they've arrived at home. Cape Town has become a massive investment destination from people from all around the world, especially currently from Europe. People come to Cape Town for holiday. They end up coming back, and ultimately they end up investing here. Some of them live here for a few months of the year, some of them have moved here permanently, and others have just bought investment properties. We've seen all different kinds of people moving to South Africa, specifically Cape Town, and we wanted to give you a bit of an idea of why that is. We've built Let's Prop In to be a window into South Africa, to see the luxury properties that we have and how South Africa is, by world standards, an incredible place to live, invest and build. From Cape Town International Airport, we're going to take you guys to one of the most sought after suburbs on the Atlantic seaboard and one of the most expensive properties that you'll find. This is the Aurum, an incredible penthouse overlooking the Atlantic Ocean.
This is an iconic penthouse which stands out in this Bantry Bay skyline. We're so honored and privileged to be sharing this beautiful home with you guys. It is 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, the finishes, the qualities, the imported material, as well as the craftsmanship that was used in this penthouse is nothing like we've quite seen in South Africa before. Before we get into it, massive thanks to Sterling, listing agent, for giving us the opportunity to showcase his incredible listing with you guys. All the listing details will be down in the description. Back to the landing and this pathway which leads the eye down to the main area, kitchen, as well as the lounge and pool area, where on the horizon you can see the ocean in the background. The sun's about to set in the next few hours and we'll take you guys there. Either side of me, continuation of all these beautiful wall sconces, either side illuminated at this moment, and then the trimming around all these wall panels as well. Behind me, one detail that we missed is this large chandelier piece suspended from the skylight that you have above it. It illuminates and exaggerates this beautiful chandelier, creating such a glorious and elegant moment in the landing. Right, entering the main bedroom, the floor finish changes to this herringbone granite tile shaped finish. To my left, this is the large walk-in closet with down lighting as well as a center console. Either side of me, the wall finish is finished off with this beautiful moldings again. Double wall sconces either side, and then as we lead down the passage, the eye can see the horizon of the water. You're almost just drawn to go outside. This main bedroom does have access to the outdoor patio. Before we get there though, I'd like to bring everyone into this bathroom as well. This bathroom here has so much presence just in terms of how much marble is encasing this entire bathroom here. The bathtub is encased in this large marble finish, gassy sandware, and then we have this double leaf door opening up to the outdoor patio. From here, while you are having a bath, while you are having a shower, you can see this beautiful Bantry Bay horizon there with some of the most beautiful homes that you can find in Cape Town. Marble finished throughout, and I like the fact that this is an open shower. There's no overt boundaries between the shower as well as the rest of the bathroom. Surround sounds continues here in the bathroom. If you want to play your tunes, you can continue the party in the bathroom. To finish everything off here, we have the entire bedroom area. Now the position of this main bedroom takes advantage of the views here, and the sun is setting behind you guys. You can see the glow that's starting to permeate into this bedroom is incredible. From here, if you look to your left side, the water of the pool almost merges with the ocean and just becomes a magical scene from this bedroom. Now just popping outside here just to show you guys the current views that we're currently experiencing. This bedroom, as I mentioned, leads out to this outdoor area where we're having this beautiful scene at the moment. The temperatures that we're experiencing in Cape Town are beautiful to hop in the ocean, hopping for a swim. Here the pool is elevated via the staircases, marble encased as well, and then we have this overhang here which does create this infinity edge. Taking you guys to the internal area of this property. This is the main living space. As we enter here, we're immediately greeted by the lounge area. Flanking this entire area, we have double leaf doors which open up and create such a beautiful mood in here as we have the slight breeze opening up to the outdoor area. Very cozy. Above there on the ceiling, we have this recessed ceiling with this bulkhead design, but the recessed ceiling does help beautifully conceal the curtain rail above it. Large TV, Bang & Olufsen sound throughout, as well as a Bang & Olufsen TV, continuation of the wall finish. And now, the first time we were here, we did say if they know, they should let us know. If they don't know, then no, please help everyone out here.
Yeah, I mean, you've already given them a hint that it's Bang & Olufsen.
Yeah.
But it's just like that cluster of speakers in the corner looks like nothing else. You'd think that these are art installations, but it's actually, the art is actually in the sound as well.
This here is my favorite, and if I'm not mistaken, to turn up and lower the volume, you simply tilt it to the side and the volume increases.
Exactly.
It's a special piece, and when you do have free time, do go online and research more about that. Now, adjacent to the main lounge area, we find this Italian kitchen here. This is a Dada kitchen. To my left, Gaggenau appliances throughout. Firstly, we have this double leaf wine cooler hedged by the microwave, coffee machine, as well as the oven. And then as we look at this entire marble piece that is in front of us here, this is an electric cover to this entire piece here. When you do want this entire piece to be seamless and you want to hide off this cooking station as well as the basin, you can simply close everything off to create a seamless countertop finish here. This side, when it does come to the winter months, when it does come to the colder months, we have a gas fireplace. As we pan up, surround sounds throughout. And no, I'm not sure if we can show it now visibly to people, but this is where the aircon units are beautifully concealed. It isn't an eyesore, it's just cleverly concealed to be able to also use it functionally. And just to finish everything off with this beautiful view, LED lighting in a space that we didn't explore in this tour is this outdoor lounge area where we have tons of garden. Above where we stand, there's also a green garden. Now, finishing everything off, we had so much fun. As I mentioned, if you are interested, make sure to head down to the description. All the information about this property, such as price, square meterage, will be down in the description.
Cape Town has always been a luxury travel destination for people from all around South Africa, and now from people all around the world. From here, we're going to head across to Cape Town Marina, set at the waterfront, one of the central tourist areas of Cape Town. Incredible apartments, hotels, and sought-after properties abound in this area. Sibiya is going to take you for a walkthrough of this yacht, and you'll get a taste of the luxury lifestyle that is Cape Town.
Now, these types of assets, they're quite synonymous with your high-end lifestyle, high-end properties, high-end vehicles, and high-end yachts. We're so excited to showcase this experience with you guys. Let us know down in the comments if you guys like this type of showcase, you like this type of experience. And we'd like to thank you so much to Missing Link for organizing this. If you guys want to take this yacht out with a couple of friends for a couple of hours or a couple of nights, make sure to head down to the description. The link will be there for more details. But now, on a scale of excited, how excited are you?
I can't wait.
We can't wait for this one. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's prop in. So welcome everyone aboard on this yacht. Firstly, we're greeted by this outdoor area. One thing that's sort of there's similarities when it comes to property as well as this yacht, as we can see today. Also, people in the comments or the people watching this channel that are like yacht fanatics, please let us know down in the comments the details. Please do teach us a thing or two, because we can see a few similarities when it comes to property as well as what we can see today, but obviously there are their own terminology, so please do let us know in the comments. So obviously you have this outdoor area beautifully covered by the ceiling, which gives you a bit of shade where you can have breakfast, you can have your meal, you can have a couple of fruit salad and just enjoy. I love the use of glass or openings throughout, just to bring in that natural lighting indoor and also giving you this beautiful view. You can imagine when you're out in the ocean, you can see this beautiful horizon throughout. cabinets throughout, TV, and I love this beautiful material. Also contrast in terms of color palette. You have this more walnut-like color, and then you have this beautiful linen, more softer feel. Here you have a full kitchen setup, microwave, electric stove, open shelves, sink, basin, all of that. And then here, slightly elevated, we have this dining area here, again with this beautiful material, linen like, just soften up. I love the fact that you have so many separate areas for different people to enjoy different areas of this yacht. Right, finishing up the tour on the top floor level. From here, all the views open up. You're able to see 360-degree views. But from here you can see the entire front of the boat. I've mentioned that we are in the marina. You have the Cape Grace in front of us, and then the waterfront behind there, as well as the Silo Hotel. There's so many different amenities here. One of my favorite restaurants there, Koi. If you are international, or even if you are coming from a different province in South Africa, this is definitely a place worth visiting. Let us know which part you found most interesting and what else you'd like to know. As I mentioned, if you want to take this boat out for a couple of days, a couple of hours, make sure to head down to the description.
So you've seen one of the highest end properties that Cape Town has to offer, as well as a little walkthrough of some of the lifestyle activities that Cape Town is famous for. Now we're going to show you something that could be an ideal investment property or your ideal base if you want to spend more time in this incredible city. This is Greenpoint. This is a beautifully central area, being 5 minutes away from the city centre, 5 minutes away from the promenade, and having an incredible amount of local restaurants, cafes, walks, the Greenpoint Stadium, many gyms, and an incredible place to live the Cape Town lifestyle. So this is a very interesting option. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, beautiful modern apartment in Greenpoint. Obviously, Sibiya has shown us the kind of top of the range property, ultra luxury. This is a very luxurious apartment, but a little more accessible. It's on the market for 8.5 million rand. That's about 450,000 euros. You can see this apartment, incredible kitchen, integrated fridge, freezer. The bedrooms, both en suite, they have these interesting sliding doors that open up the space here. I'll show you in the main room, where you can open them up quite nicely, but then when you want to close the room off and the doors disappear into the space behind the built-in cupboards. Very nice sized bedrooms, beautiful bathroom finishes, and just a very nice flow to this apartment with all of the natural light that comes through. And you've also then got a bit of a view out towards the bay to your north. So if you are interested in investing in a property like this kind of price range, top of the market price range, reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help. Not only do we have our own listings, but we work with many other companies in Cape Town, Sterling being one of them. Just wanted to give him a massive shout out and thank you to giving us access to this new listing before it hit the markets. The next property we want to show you is set in Camps Bay. 15 or 20 minutes drive from Greenpoint is this incredible suburb, set around one of the world's most famous beaches. With the 12 Apostles Mountains behind it and the Camps Bay beach in front of it, Camps Bay is an incredible place for anybody looking for an investment property or a place to live a world-class lifestyle. This is a property that we sold in Camps Bay. The international purchasers of this property were introduced to us through our global network. They are a hotel group running other projects overseas, and this was an incredible entry point for their first Cape Town project. We helped the buyer navigate the local market, and after showing them many properties, this was the final one that they settled on. Today, we're in Camps Bay, Atlantic seaboard of Cape Town. Very, very exciting property. Just handed over to our international buyer, and we're very excited to show you around this property and tell you a little bit about why our clients chose to buy here in Camps Bay.
The guys have been so helpful for us to discover a new market, learn the ins and outs of what we need to take care of. We've visited so many properties. Taylor was also always so organized. It was very efficient run until we found the right property for us. Has been so helpful when it comes to all of the conveyancing, communication with the sellers, and we're now finally ready to take over the property, and we're definitely looking forward to doing more business.
The reasons that our purchaser chose this property are threefold. The first one is the most obvious one, and that is the views that this property has. On this side, you've got the view of the ocean. Behind, you've got the view of the 12 Apostles, which is the beautiful mountain range as part of Table Mountain. Views are everything in Cape Town, super important when buyers make decisions. The other two reasons that the purchasers chose this specific property, the big one being the proximity to Camps Bay main beach and everything that comes with that. The last reason is because there was a little bit of scope for them to increase the size of this property. Leaving the beaches, the hustle and bustle of the city, only 25 minutes and you are in Constantia. A leafy suburb, exclusive, secure and peaceful. Another glimpse into the Cape Town lifestyle and the fact that in one day you can be on a world-class beach and that same afternoon be in the mountains drinking wine inspired by French winemaking. Right now, we're at Constantia Glen. This is my personal favorite wine farm here in Constantia. The area around us is a mix of wine farm, beautiful, beautiful houses set on these big pieces of land, as well as recently a lot of new cluster developments and smaller homes that are being built in the region. A nice property here, entry level, you're looking at about 20 million rand, about €1 million. This is one of the most beautiful suburbs in Cape Town, about 30 minutes away from the city with no traffic. From here, we're going to have a little glass of wine, a cheese board, and experience some of the beautiful Cape Town lifestyle that brings people from all over the world. We've helped many people purchase properties in Cape Town, some of them without even visiting the properties. If you'd like to invest in Cape Town, please reach out to me. My number is on screen. The link to my direct WhatsApp is in the description. Myself and sibiya will be happy to help you navigate this market and potentially find you your perfect investment or lifestyle property. For those of you who have already visited Cape Town, please tell us, what did you love about it? Why will you be back and why would you invest here? From the team at Let's Prop In, thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. We hope to see you in South Africa, Johannesburg, Cape Town, Durban, and any one of our incredible cities that many of us are lucky to call home.